My name is Deepika Singh and I'm the founder and CEO of Sinmat Inc. Sinmat is a leading global manufacturer of chemical mechanical polishing slurries. These slurries are used to make microchips. These microchips are used in LEDs, in solar power, in wind power. They're used in electric vehicles. Some of our products are also used to polish the screens in smartphones and smartwatches. Since Sinmat's inception, we have received 4 R&D 100 awards. These awards are given to 100 companies for some of the greatest and the brightest innovations. After that, we received a call from President Barack Obama in 2009, who recognized me and my company at a press conference at the White House. In his speech, he mentioned that Sinmat was one of the fastest growing companies in the clean energy sector. I would encourage companies to move to this area so they can avail all the opportunities that the high-tech corridor has to offer. We have 3 major universities who offer various resources, as well as they are graduating highly skilled, STEM-educated workforce. I would hope that we will soon become a Silicon Valley in the high-tech corridor. My advice to all aspiring entrepreneurs would be to know your market. I would also hire good people, not just the ones who are competent, but the ones who can work in a team. I would also tell them to persevere through difficult times, because they will have a lot of failures, but they must remember that they have to keep trying to succeed.